Each year, hundreds of musicians from around the globe attend Berklee's 5-week summer performance program. In the summer of 2009, the Pulse team picked 6 city music students from across the country. 2 from Memphis, 2 from Seattle, and 2 from Boston. We teamed up 1 junior and 1 senior and gave them a flip cam to film their lives. These are their stories of what it means to become a Berklee musician. The stakes are high, the competition is fierce, and everyone wants a shot at a full scholarship. 5 weeks, 6 musicians, 1 dream. This is Take 5.
Hello. Hello, control room. This is the ghost of Henry. Why did Charles have to murder me? I'm asking, I really don't know why.
There's about 3 different times we go through the theme.
That's it right there. Yeah, you got it.
That was gorgeous. Write that down.
La da da, that's all we need.
I hear it now.
La da da da, and we are free.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Friends, Austin, Texas, South by Southwest. I'm Dave Madden, your host today for the 6th annual Berklee official South by Southwest party. We've got a great lineup including Los Angeles artist Black Kettle, Laura Jansen, audio runner from Houston, Emily Elbert from Coppell, Texas, Julia Easterlin from Augusta, Georgia, and Boston bands Aloud, Art Decade, Stereo Telescope, and the Boston Boys.
Critical listening is a universal truth. That's something that carries on through your entire professional career. You apply it to every creative and technical decision that you make, and we feel that it's an important plank in the underpinning, the foundational constructs for music production and engineering students.
In this course, what we're really focusing on are some of the technical aspects that are making this a great recorded piece of music, not just a great performance, but a great recording.
Critical listening allows us to develop that vocabulary, that vernacular that I think is just critical. To use the word again, it's essential. It's essential for us to be able to speak the same language and be able to talk at a level of detail so that we can further the art.
We're now entering the exciting world of music technology. Technology has changed the world of music and the way music is recorded, produced, performed, and distributed. With a degree in music technology, you can be anything from an audio engineer or sound tech to a sound designer or record producer.
That's a wrap.
A sound designer develops cool and unique sounds and effects that can be used by bands, film, and TV. A sound designer can make a scene go from this to this.
There are a couple of areas that need to be grasped. One of them is the understanding of acoustics. Acoustics would be like how sound revolves and reflects in a certain space. The propagation of sound is another one, just how sound waves actually move through the air. The other one might be perceptual cognition. How do we receive music? How do we receive sound? What does it make me feel like? And to be able to capture those things in a recording.
I love music. I love music. I love music.
Dynamics and articulation add emotion to language. They're what makes something sound happy.
I love music.
Passionate.
I love music.
Secret.
I love music.
Or sad.
I love music.
Stripped of dynamics and articulation, even the greatest music in the world would not move us. Dynamics are how loud or soft to play the music. Forte means to play loudly. Piano means to play softly. Instead of jumping from 0 to 60, you can ease your way to a new volume using two other dynamic concepts, crescendo and decrescendo.
A history of woodwinds. The woodwind family of instruments is as diverse as the people who've played them. It includes everything from flute and clarinet to oboe and bassoon. And wind instruments have been featured in the musical stylings of everyone from Mozart to Marilyn Manson.
Call.
Response.
Call and response is two main things, repetition and communication.
Marco, Polo.
Sing after me. Leader, chorus, call and response.
Leader, chorus, call and response.
Is when the chorus repeats the leader's call.
When the chorus repeats the leader's call.
When two groups sing like you and me.
When two groups sing like you and me.
That is called antiphony.
That is called antiphony.
Aunt Tiffany?